How to connect n8n with WhatsApp API. To do that, first head over right here into your actual workflow, then click on this plus icon, and then from in there you can see this search nodes. So from in there, just proceed to search right here for WhatsApp. You can see right here WhatsApp Business Cloud. Click on this, and you can see right here some actions. Just choose right here the action that you wish to use. On my case, let's choose this send message and wait for a response. Click on the select credential, click on create new, and it will open this. It will ask for your access token, business account ID, as well as the HTTP request domains. Just get over here business account ID on your WhatsApp and you can get access token when you head over to business@whatsapp.com. Just get started with them and you should be able to get there an API or access token and save the changes that you have made. So from there, you can head over and execute your workflow. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.